Okay, back of the house. John's inside. That landing as you go out the back door from the master is tile, and it doesn't look like it was installed right. All the grout's popping out, which is actually pretty common. But you've got lots of covered space. Looks like you got some old railings and stuff. A lot of this work looks pretty fresh. In fact, I think they're still touching up the paint or doing something. There's a lot of blue painter's tape, which maybe find out why. There's the Jeep, might come with the house, don't think it runs. This is all asphalt back here, and you probably can't see through the snow real well, but this is the backyard. And this is the shop, which will make it so that you don't have to have a storage unit. Because this thing is a little bigger than the 24 square I told you it was. In fact, I think we're probably 36, 30 by 40 maybe. That's good size. This will house all your toys graciously. Plus you have a 2-car garage on the house, which I'll get you some video of. Looks like they've just brought an old gas furnace out here. Doesn't look like it's hooked up. Don't know how it's working, but not a lot of insulation. The roof's insulated. You've got some insulation on the walls. And really nice garage door opener right there, by the way. So looks like they put some love into this. I mean, it's a very functional garage. One of the doors is insulated, the other one is not. But good space, as much as you'd need. And a nice tall door, which I'm sure you saw. I mean, you can get an RV in there almost, so. All right, I'll take you inside and show you the other garage and the basement. Smile, you're on camera. This is through the kitchen. And it looks like you've got some kind of workshop here. A 2-car garage, but just barely. With this shop, I don't know how useful it is. I mean, looks like they've got a fridge. It's not super well built, but probably has some kind of function. There's an old TV. Christmas lights. There's still a few things in the house, but could be a nice size 2-car garage if you got rid of this shop area. Plenty of storage in the rafters. Insulated door again. That actually is a nice door. Looks like they just put that on. That's also new. So really not 100% done house, but I think that what they have done here has been useful or thoughtful. The kitchen is like I mentioned, just a little bit of paint and spackle. It sounds like you guys are probably going to tear it out. There's some flooring installs here. It's a little soft. I think it was just installed wrong, like the tile. So now I'll show you the basement. One thing is not lacking is a ton of space, and that wood stove will probably heat this whole place. No windows down here. Oh, and a free piano. This looks like a utility room. You've got some old furniture in here. And just storage and more junk. You got junk tucked in all the corners here. Not expertly finished. Looks like a home job down here on the sheetrock. I don't know.
Just, that door.
Is that where you keep the bodies? So hot water heaters, maybe 10 or 12 years old. Furnace is maybe 30 years old, 80% efficient. And just storage and a panel here. It looks like it's a little undersized for the size of house. Maybe it's a 150 amp panel. Looks like it was put in 78. But just lots of old stuff. I think these folks have either lived here for a very long time or collected a lot of stuff. So really only 3 or 4 main rooms, and it's pretty dark. There's not a lot of windows here, so an egress window on the ends at least would probably be in the budget to make this feel more like livable space. And there's your stack going out halfway up. So you'd need a sump for any bathroom that you're putting in here. John will probably tell you that. Just to give you kind of a once over. All right.